Wood bass drum beaters provide a deeper, yet more defined tone than traditional felt beaters. But the hammer from Outlaw Drums takes it to a new extreme. Handcrafted from the same 500 to 600 year old reclaimed heart pine used in Outlaw Stave snare drums, the hammer is the only bass drum beater built with heirloom quality wood. Over centuries of growth, the heart pine used to build the hammer wood beaters was compacted naturally, producing a harder, denser wood. Each beater contains about 50 years of growth rings, throwing more mass towards the bass drum than other wood beaters, creating fuller, deeper tone. Let's go ahead and compare felt versus wood. We recommend listening to the rest of this video through headphones, so we'll give you a second to plug them in. There you have it. The hammer from Outlaw Drums. More depth, more definition, a fuller bass tone.